Medical coding is a critical aspect of the healthcare industry, ensuring accurate and efficient billing and record keeping. While technical expertise is crucial for medical coding professionals, there is a range of soft skills that are equally important in this field. These soft skills complement the technical knowledge and enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of medical coding professionals. In this video, we will explore 7 essential soft skills that all medical coding professionals need to succeed. 1. Attention to detail. Attention to detail is a foundational skill for medical coding professionals. The work of a medical coder involves analyzing patient records and assigning appropriate codes to diagnoses, procedures, and treatments. A small error in code selection can lead to significant billing discrepancies and financial loss for healthcare providers. Therefore, medical coders must pay meticulous attention to details, ensuring accuracy and precision in their work. 2. Analytical thinking. Analytical thinking is another critical soft skill for medical coding professionals. The ability to analyze complex medical records, identify patterns, and interpret information is crucial for accurate coding. Medical coders often encounter cases with incomplete or ambiguous documentation, requiring them to use their analytical skills to extract relevant details and make informed decisions. They must be able to understand the context of the medical services provided, determine the most appropriate codes, and ensure consistency across different sections of the record. 3. Communication skills. Strong communication skills are vital for medical coding professionals to interact effectively with various stakeholders in the healthcare system. Medical coders often collaborate with physicians, nurses, and other healthcare providers to clarify documentation and obtain necessary information for coding. They need to communicate clearly and concisely, asking relevant questions and seeking clarification when required. 4. Adaptability. Adaptability is a crucial soft skill for medical coding professionals, considering the ever-evolving nature of the healthcare industry and coding guidelines. New coding systems, regulatory changes, and technological advancements continually impact the coding landscape. Medical coders need to stay adaptable and embrace change to maintain accuracy and compliance. 5. Time management. Efficient time management is a critical soft skill for medical coding professionals, as they often have to meet tight deadlines while ensuring accuracy in their work. Medical coders handle a significant volume of patient records, each requiring meticulous review and coding. Effective time management enables them to prioritize tasks, allocate sufficient time for thorough analysis, and complete coding assignments within the given time frame. 6. Problem-solving. Problem-solving skills are invaluable for medical coding professionals when faced with complex cases or coding challenges. They need to be able to assess situations, identify issues, and develop creative solutions to ensure accurate coding and compliance. Problem-solving skills come into play when dealing with incomplete documentation, conflicting information, or cases that deviate from typical coding scenarios. 7. Ethics and integrity. Ethics and integrity are fundamental soft skills for medical coding professionals. They handle sensitive patient information and must adhere to strict confidentiality guidelines and ethical standards. Medical coders need to maintain the highest level of integrity in their work, ensuring the accuracy and security of patient data. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in fast-tracking your health career behind certifications for today's most in-demand roles.